How to fix pin post option not showing on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Facebook application and make sure that you're updated and you're logged into your account. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, which is also your profile. Then tap on your profile and go to the post that you want to pin. So just tap on the three dotted lines which is at the top of the post. So here you can see the option of pin post right now, but the general condition to show this pin post option is when you edit the privacy. So just go to edit privacy. So as you can see, it is currently on friends right now, and I have given access of who can see your post. So my friends can see my post, but if you keep the privacy on only me, then the option of pin post may not be available to your post. So make sure that you enable that on friends. And if this does not work, then what you can do is just go and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device, and after that you can just go to the Play Store and check for any updates available for the Facebook application on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna go and log into my account again and see if this works. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's for today, and see you next time.